Pakwit na po. Tugbong na po. What a beautiful day today. Porting inita. So, stop sa tao. Pag-gas. Gas muna. Porting inita. Minduta good. We need it. Nagmata super kay katugnaw. Tapos, karon init kaysa nga tanan. Tapos, pagkaon niya, bugnaw na po. Mo nang tawag na equals. Kana ka nang may mo ni kagwak-wak. That's why. Ayan na si Dad. What happened? He got it or no? Ay, he got it eh. Ay, change ha. Sir ha, change. Thank you sa change. Sibo na yun ha. Usually card na siya. Pero I'm not sure kung anong wala man card ni Daddy. So kailangan magsulod ka dito, bayad ka, ana-ana. Very dagan kayong independency there sa gawas. Ikaw ang magtubel. Ikaw ang you earn on your own. Pretty much. Pero pag nakakay family, and that's for us, it's a teamwork. Nindot diri guys, ay nako, dagan kaayo diri opportunities. Kaya ninyo basta isa mo ka batalyon. So anyway, off we go to the warehouse. Kay manglaba, mag-PIF, tapos mag-bake, and then we'll be ready for the tomorrow. Another camping tomorrow. I really like that place. Pero tomorrow is Thursday, guys. Maybe ano ba, kana bitang kung nasa dagang tao, like super. We want the place alone. Char. I wonder tomorrow, like, and then tomorrow our schedule will be 3 a.m. Yep. As much as possible before the sunrise, we're already out. Yeah. So gusto na ako tawagan ni kanang basta nag-ano ko guys, nag-schedule ko karon nga ako sila pamatag buntag sayo cause ato ang first Sunday balikbayan box will be in the morning. We have to wake you guys up, so before that happens we need a routine. Good luck, iaya ka lang.